Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to easily change your nickname in Minecraft. So this is the name that your friends and other players see when you're online in Minecraft. Now it's a very easy process, let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is actually opening up the Minecraft launcher. Now from out the launcher you want to go to the button in the left corner where your settings appear. Now from out these settings you want to go to accounts, the second tab, and here you see your profile. Now here you want to go to the three dots, and inside the three dots you want to go to manage Minecraft Java Edition profile. Now there will be a browser that pops up, as you can see right here. Now here we want to scroll down till you see the Minecraft Java Edition. Now here you can change the profile name. Now you can press it, and as you can see here you can change it every 30 days. So make sure that you choose a name which you are content with, because otherwise you have to wait 30 days to change it. And here simply press change profile name, and that's about it. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.